Streamlining production, how manufacturing ERP transforms efficiency. In today's fast-paced manufacturing world, efficiency is key. Enter Manufacturing ERP, a game-changing tool that streamlines production and transforms how businesses operate. Let's dive into how it works. What is Manufacturing ERP? Manufacturing ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning, integrates all aspects of production from inventory management to order processing into one cohesive system. This means real-time data and insights are at your fingertips, allowing for informed decision-making. Enhanced visibility. One of the major benefits of Manufacturing ERP is enhanced visibility. Every department can access important information, breaking down silos. This transparency allows teams to collaborate effectively, ensuring everyone is on the same page and aware of production schedules, inventory levels, and more. Improved inventory management. Another significant advantage is improved inventory management. With ERP, you can track inventory levels in real time. This eliminates overstocking or stockouts, ultimately reducing waste and saving money. The system can automatically reorder materials when they hit a specific threshold, ensuring production never stalls. Streamline processes. Manufacturing ERP also streamlines processes by automating repetitive tasks. Manual data entry is time-consuming and prone to errors. By automating these tasks, employees can focus on higher-value activities, boosting overall productivity. Better reporting and analytics. Lastly, robust reporting and analytics tools within an ERP system provide valuable insights. You can analyze production metrics, financial performance, and customer satisfaction, helping you make data-driven decisions that enhance efficiency. By implementing a manufacturing ERP system, companies can transform their production processes, enhance efficiency, and maintain a competitive edge in the industry. Want to learn more? Visit our website www.appsbaba.cloud.